Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Aries sa March 29, 2025, 6:57 p.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So this is about new beginning, setting of goals, and taking action. Kaya lang ngayon, medyo heavy ang energies ng New Moon dahil meron tong kasabay na Mercury retrograde and Venus retrograde. Okay? So, for you, Libra, itong New Moon in Aries is happening in your 7th house of relationships. This is also about partnerships, connections mo, close relationships to. So, this can be sa friends, sa family, someone na you usually deal with. Okay? So, maaring meron ditong new opportunities for relationships para sa iba sa inyo. Yung iba, this can be relationship sa work, sa trabaho, pwedeng may collaboration because of the Venus in your 6th house right now. Kaya lang Venus is in retrograde, so pwedeng merong mga proyekto na pinag-uusapan, pinag-aaralan, pero sa ngayon parang hindi pa ganun kaklaro kung kailan to magsisimula. Pwedeng may mga delays, ganyan. So, be more patient. Kasi, since naka-retrograde yung dalawang planets, personal planets, medyo malaki yung impact nito talaga. Okay? Siguro mga mid-April, ayan, medyo magbabago na yung energies kasi magde-direct na sila, no? But, some of you merong new opportunities for relationships, connections. Some of you naman, merong this can be a dating opportunity for you, no? Pwedeng kaibigan mo, ipapakilala ka sa kaibigan niya, tapos pwedeng magkaroon ng attraction, interest, ganyan. Some of you naman, this can be an opportunity for travel, to have fun, to enjoy, pwedeng short travel, short distance travel, pwede rin namang long distance travel like international travels. And I see na maaring may opportunity rito for growth, for expansion. Let's say, expansion ng iyong knowledge or expansion ng trabaho mo or business mo or ng mga contacts mo. You will meet new friends, connections na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo in the future. And hindi lang siya sa iyong career, pwede rin tong maging potential romantic partner. And then you also have Mars in Cancer in the 10th house. So pagdating sa yung career, maaring marami kang mga kailangang asikasuhin, mabilisan na kailangan mong i-accomplish around this time. Or maari ring merong delay, okay? Yung tipong parang minamadali mo ang isang bagay pero hindi mo siya matapos-tapos dahil may mga delays, okay? So, be more patient. Patience is the key. Let's see what else for Libra. New Moon in Aries. Ace of Cups. Oh my God. Libra, meron talagang new partner, new relationship, potential romantic connection for some of you. This can be pwedeng kilala mo na to, katrabaho mo na to, or someone na madalas mong makita sa isang place na madalas mong puntahan. Let's say, nagji-gym ka, o kaya sa supermarket, or any place. You have the Strength card, which is your physical strength. So, maaring meron ka ring mga ini-improve sa yung kalusugan. You also have the Hermit, which is self-reflection. So, maaring may nire-reassess ka na relationship ngayon, lalo na kung nasa isang toxic situation ka romantically. Pwedeng iniisip mo rin na, is this the time to close this chapter of your life, no? Na tapusin mo na. Kasi syempre, pag may endings, may new beginnings. You have the 7 of Wands. You are protecting your energies. Lalo na kung merong mga bagay na nagpapaalala sa'yo nung mga na-experience mong unfair sa buhay. So, this can be experience mo sa relationship mo with other people, or yung mga past mistakes mo, or yung mga missed opportunities mo na naisip mo, ay sayang, sana pala ginawa ko, sana pala trinabaho ko. Ganon. Let's see. I think also, itong i-reassess mo is yung mga bagay na pwede mo pang ayusin. Okay? Kasi pwedeng hindi naman kailangan maghiwalay or mag-end ng relationship. Pwedeng meron lang kailangang maintindihan sa isa't isa. If you're dealing with someone, pwedeng romantic to, pwedeng hindi romantic, pwedeng platonic, friendship, ganyan. What else? You have the Hierophant. So, this is tradition. Maaari ring merong magme-mentor, magtuturo, magbibigay sa'yo ng advice. Can be someone na like an elderly. So, pwedeng parents mo, lolo't lola mo, or someone in the family na meron siyang wisdom, no? And itong wisdom na to, makakatulong to sa kanya, as in, makakatulong to sa inyo. Dahil marami na siyang alam, marami na siyang experiences in the past, and this will really help you improve your mindset pagdating sa, or yung perspective mo pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Kasi maaring marirealize mo na minsan hindi lang naman sila yung may problema, pwedeng ikaw rin, na kailangan mo ring i-work out, kailangan mo ring ayusin sa sarili mo. Kasi minsan nakikita lang natin yung iba. We also have to look within ourselves na baka may kulang or meron kailangan tayong i-improve sa sarili natin. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Oh my God. Libra. May matatapos na stressful situation or isang pangyayari or chapter sa buhay mo. The answers you need are coming. Maliliwanagan ka na. Kung meron kang confusion sa situation mo ngayon, whether this is about your relationship with someone or business partnership with someone, or yung mga plano mo for your career path, malalaman mo na what's best for you. Think it through. Ayan. So, marami ka nga rin pinag-iisipan na mga bagay, mga desisyon mo na hindi mo basta-basta parang hindi mo basta-basta gagawin na lang. Pag-iisipan mo yung decision na yan. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.